Hello future counselors, it's Alex. Today I would like to share with you the perfect packing list. Two things to take into account before we start is I was a ranch camp counselor, so some things that I brought are especially needed for the ranch camp. And second, of course, you have your own priorities on what to pack, meaning you probably want to buy new stuff in America, or you want to buy a lot of souvenirs for your family and friends. So probably you would have to have half of your luggage empty. When I was packing my luggage, I was having the priority of overpacking rather than regretting not taking something. Probably that was not the best strategy to use, but anyways, I used it. Summary of the shoes that I find extremely needed. Crocs, one pair of nice shoes for days off, leather sneakers or waterproof boots, riding boots. That's it. Alright, now let's talk about jackets. So I didn't know what the weather in the US summer would be like, so I decided to bring some warm stuff so that I would not be cold in case the weather gets cold. I brought a sweater, I have never used it. I brought a very warm jacket, I have never used it. But I didn't bring a waterproof jacket that I have, and I regretted it. I would bring one or two hoodies. Just remember that at my camp, we had our laundry every week. So you have to have as many things as you need for 2 weeks, pants and t-shirts. So I had 3 pairs of shorts, which were sports shorts, 2 pairs and 1 pair of khaki shorts for opening and closing days of each session. 5 pairs of long pants. I had khaki pants in case the opening or the closing days would be cold. I had just sports pants, 2 pairs of jeans and 1 pair of leggings. Don't bring too many t-shirts. You will receive quite a few t-shirts from your agency, from your camp, from your visa provider maybe. As it says here, I brought 7 t-shirts. I think I ended up bringing back around 15. And most of the time you want to use the t-shirts that you are given because, for example, for opening and closing days of the session, we were asked to wear a polo for the opening day and a t-shirt, staff t-shirt for the closing day. Bring the ones that you would wear during your day off rather than at camp. As ranch camp counselor, I brought 2 pairs of leggings, riding leggings, and that was absolutely enough. I would say you can bring even just 1 pair of them because while teaching on the arena, I suggest not wearing riding outfits because it's very hot and you don't climb the horse. The leggings are not necessary, you just feel too warm when you wear them teaching on the arena. Alarm is important, sunglasses are important. A very useful thing that I really am happy that I bought is the laundry bag. Just looks like this, doesn't occupy a lot of space. You just put all your dirty clothes and you bring them to laundry in this laundry bag. The laundry person just takes everything out and drops it in the washing machine and then puts it in the dryer and then puts it back in the laundry bag. And I have not had a bad experience of putting anything at my laundry, so I highly recommend having that bag. Let's go through the list of the things that my camp recommended me to bring, which were battery operated alarm clock, definitely yes, swimming suit, yes, sunscreen, toothpaste, personal toiletries, insect repellent is important, hat or sunglasses, stamps from home to mail postcards and letters, water bottle, flashlight or torch, a day backpack, 1 or 2 pairs of khaki shorts or pants. As I said, I had 1 pair of shorts and 1 pair of pants. 5 to 7 pairs of shorts, I would say reduce the number. 5 to 7 t-shirts and 3 or 4 long sleeve t-shirts, I would say reduce the number. 2 or 3 pairs of jeans or pants, well, I would agree with this number. 2 sweatshorts, yeah, 2 sweatshirts, hoodies, something like that. Rain gear, at least a jacket, do pack it. At least 1 nice outfit, laundry bag, specialty items for ranch camp stuff, riding boots and helmet. In terms of luggage, I brought one piece of 23 kilos luggage and 1 piece of carry-on baggage, which was 10 kilos. And it was sufficient for me. I also had a backpack and a small bag, like a purse with documents. And remember that, at least in my camp, we didn't have shelves or wardrobes to keep our clothes in. All the clothes were in our bags under our bed, so we could pull the luggage, take out whatever we need, and put the luggage back under the bed. Don't bring too much stuff. Remember to set priorities on whether you want to buy souvenirs and stuff from United States for your family and friends, or maybe for yourself as well. Don't bring too much clothes. Remember you can buy stuff, and compare lists from your camp, your agency, and from internet to make sure you bring everything necessary for yourself.
This is the list I was packing with. I have recorded this video once I got back from the US. I hope you found it useful. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hope to see you on my next videos.